God. Hello, people. In this video, I'll be only using revolver. And yes, I got a big win streak, 100. After so long of grinding and so much keys, I have a 100 win streak. You know, it actually took me a very long time to get a 100 win streak, so it'd be a good thing if you like and subscribe. In this video, I can only use revolver. I can use what is a good accessory? AR. Size and make it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yo, come back. You can't get destroyed by aimball. Even though I'm an aimballer. But I was pretty dang good. Look. Bro's actually trolling me. Oh, hello, sir. Goodbye, I'm gonna make it. Uh-oh. Okay, that was honestly a joke. But can I do this? Oh my god, that was a clutch. Oh, hello, sir. Both of mounting is gonna work. How can I get you? Oh my god, I'm so down low. My kid! Oh my god, my revolver's so OP. The guy honestly trying to go to revolver, but that's not gonna happen, I know it. Oh my god. Can I make it? Okay, I guess not. I got sniper, I messed up. Sniper dude. Yo, oh. Okay. I guess I can get combo. Okay, that is my main threat, my crosshair. Something to. I think it's actually good at the game. Oh my god! I got project completed. I played 24 hours of rivals. Just to get this wrap. Oh my god. Hello, sir. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm just gonna launch you. And reload my revolver, because why not? And it's the enemy. But where's my... Oh! That's target. Get him, boss. Get him. Oh. Okay, why am I using AR? Look at that target. That's revolver only. Oh, you dare kill my teammate. And you're being annoying. Okay. Call a few clips on bro. But, yeah. And... Where should I kill my enemy? Like 360. Oh, there's no enemy. Okay, just gotta take care of everything real quick. Can I heal? Nope. Well, I'm not surprised. Okay, that is target. I see a blue hair guy. That's target. No, he's target. Oh, I guess he got taken care of. Okay, he's scared of something. Oh my god! Who on combo? Yo, let me heal. Oh, the game hates me. Oh. You know what? You know what? Yeah, whatever. Yo, what's my enemy? Oh. That dude with the blue. No. Actually, the other dude just spoke. That guy. Oh my gosh. There's so much sniper and AI users and burst. Burst only or katana only? Yeah, that'd be insane. Oh, did that burst only? Nah, I didn't know it was plus display, but I should honestly just lock in. Wait, if that actually works on the ladder? Yo! Oh! The power of revolver. No. And hard best. And hard of the ball. Oh, hello, friend. Okay, revolver. Okay, revolver throw like sometimes. Okay, the guy was supposed to, that was gone. I'll put together. Okay. I haven't even had a single of my trips, that's good. I mean shots. What the? Hello? Oh. That's great. Like it's so I know it was good, but I never knew it was that good. Okay, slide. Oh my god. Yo. Where was the enemy? Yo, the enemy's gonna be like very mad. Trampoline or bouncy pass, that's aimbot, it's just insane. Let's say I highly depend on my aimbot, but no. Here. Oh, I mean that was a kind of an easy kill. Like, I've barely played with that aimbot, but okay, I guess I'm kind of good without aimbot. I actually need that. Oh, just all luck. Really all luck, like. I am an iPad, like seriously. I'm on a phone, I'm on iPad. Just semi-better. Okay, this is the new test. Oh no. You know, it's good. Aimbot to the max. Oh. Seriously, chill. Chill. Okay. Yo. Long kill. Here's a very good tip. Not cat side. The enemy's probably up. Yo, why am I stuck on that? Why? What? I guess who's gonna be first? Okay, gonna run of eliminations. Yeah. What I gotta say is, what was the goal? Oh my god. Oh my god, after so long. Okay, what was that? Oh yeah, weapons. Over here. What is this? No, collection. Whoa, what was it again? Wraps. Oh my god. Yeah, that is... Guys, I don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say. Oh my god. This is insanely cool. Oh my god. I got what? The knife. Okay. Guys, yeah, I did not just get 5-0'd. Yeah, definitely, guys. Oh, sorry, a knife. I haven't equipped it too long, but all I gotta say is that's dang pretty good. Also, guys, Easter egg first. First is kind of like this. So honestly, you should definitely click the like and subscribe button. If you don't, then nothing will actually happen. But I am trying to get 200 mystery by the end of the year. Is that possible? I don't know. But if you like and subscribe, will it change? No. Oh, I'm glitching now. Guys, you think I'm a sweat? Probably.